Agricultural insurance has come a long way. I personally believe that we are at the cusp of a very big leap in the advancement of agricultural insurance and how it will transform small and marginal farmers. I say this because we see a convergence of technology today, we see a convergence of big data analytics, the power of mobile phones that is coming down at the hands of a small farmer, and satellite data. And all these things would indeed transform the way we do agricultural insurance. It's my dream, and I believe this is going to happen, and I'm just saying it in advance, that just like we have a global positioning system, a GPS today, which can actually help every urban citizen to move from where he is to where he wants to go and show traffic on a dynamic basis. We are not too far away from having an ATS, which I would call it an agricultural tracking system. So you would actually see every single plot of land being actually tracked. You could actually give the power in the hands of the farmer, who would be able to actually know how his farm is performing compared to others, and communications should not be a challenge because everything would be through design and figures. So with all these powers coming together, it will enhance the quality of data, which will enhance the insurance protection that will be made available to him, and enhance the reinsurance protection and bring down the overall cost. The future, as I see it, is going to be transformative, something we have never seen before. The advancement of agricultural insurance, particularly to small and marginal farmers, has been highly dependent upon the quality of data. The quality of data, the rigor, and the way the data is collated, the way the data is audited, verified, and made available to it. And based on that, agricultural insurance has actually evolved. So we have come a long way from crop cutting experiments, which was based on actual indemnity and yield, today to a point where we are using index-based weather as a proxy to determine what could have been a correlation to a loss. We are not yet perfect today, but having said that, I think we have had a small glimpse of what the future would be. We had a glimpse of the truth. And the way it has developed today has made a significant change in the way insurers are ready to perceive this risk and reinsurers are ready to embrace this risk. We are moving away from subjectivity to far more objectivity in the data and the analysis. Going forward, I think there will be a convergence between yield data, which is still to be required manually. There will be a convergence between the weather data that comes in, the satellite data, and vegetation index. And you'll also have instruments that will be able to track the soil conditions, agronomy, and other stuff going forward. All this stuff taken together is truly going to transform the way agricultural insurance is going to be transacted forward. The next big thing that will transform agricultural insurance and adding value to the micro farmer is going to be collaboration. And it is already happening today. Collaboration in the sense that there is no point for insurance companies or other stakeholders to be competing in a space where they need to collaborate more. And I'll give an example about it, that 8 of the large insurance companies got together and formed a microinsurance venture incubator during the World Economic Forum in Davos in January of 2015. That company is now christened and it's called as Blue Marble. Blue Marble has a focus to be socially relevant, to add value to micro entrepreneurs, and bring gender-based financial inclusion into the picture. Food security is one of the important principles on which Blue Marble is trying to make a difference. So this kind of collaboration that has already taken place with large private insurance companies will evolve further to create more collaboration with government entities, UN bodies, the World Bank, and other institutions. And I think the speed to market will move faster with this kind of collaboration. I think that's what's going to change the world, along with innovation, collaboration.